Apple's AirPods line has always held a special place in my heart. AirPods 4 are here, and they are awesome. As a pair of on-ear wireless earbuds, they are really hard to fault. I have used AirPods 2 for the past 5 years. The new AirPods are available in two models, $129 or $179 with active noise cancellation. I have the ANC buds and I'm thrilled with them, but I predict even the base model is going to drive a lot of sales this holiday season. Considering the entire AirPods line, the AirPods Pro are obviously still king. Although the Pros will always win on sound quality and feature set, the style of the tips will mean they are always off limits to me. I had accepted that trade-off of ergonomics and figured I'd always be on the lesser track in terms of raw functionality. While that remains true, AirPods 4 get closer to the Pros than ever before. Rewind a year and if someone told me that Apple's standard earbuds would support active noise cancellation, I would have said you were crazy. And yet AirPods with ANC are here, and it is surprisingly good. I've been using AirPods 4 for the last 3 days, and I am amazed by how much sound these buds can isolate and cancel out. In most cases, a particular sound is still audible while in the noise cancellation mode, but the sound is dramatically reduced. For what it's worth, I find transparency mode to be redundant on AirPods 4. I can hear just fine with all noise control modes disabled. Out of the box, pressing the force sensor on the stem toggles between the noise cancellation and transparency modes. I changed it in the settings to switch between noise cancellation and off. I don't get value out of the transparency mode, and I assume having no noise control running saves some battery. Regarding sound quality, I think AirPods 4 are noticeably better than AirPods 2 and slightly best AirPods 3. Everything sounds balanced and clear, with a twinge more bass than you might expect given the tiny size of the speaker drivers. The encapsulating Pros will still have the best sound, of course, as no frequencies can escape your ear canal with those. I know some people detest it, but I love listening to spatial songs from Apple Music through the AirPods 4. You get a really convincing sensation of being engulfed in the music. Apple says that the AirPods 4 have an entirely new acoustic architecture to enable better sound reproduction. This may be true, but I think users coming from AirPods 3 may find the biggest leap in sound quality arise from the better fit brought about by the 4E's redesigned shape, preventing sound leakage. The AirPods 4 design strikes a middle ground between the AirPods 2 and the AirPods 3. They have the same short stems of AirPods 3, but have significantly shaved down the bud part, so it feels less round and bloated, and for lack of a better description, a bit more sculpted to the shape of ear holes. I can't tell you the AirPods 4 are a bad pair of buds. If you love the way that the AirPods 2 and 3 fit, then the new model is going to be a great thing to stick in your ears and listen to music. The ANC is better than it has any right to be, blocking out plenty of noise and making the commute a little more tolerable. The case is tiny and will fit into almost any pair of trousers, any bag, or anywhere else you might want to hide them away. Our review is a great picture of what the buds offer, and Kate had a great time with her pair, as many users also probably will. Please subscribe this channel for more informative videos.